Monday. Welcome to week 6 of distance learning. Before I start talking about what you guys are going to do today, I just want to say that I am really sad that we will not be able to end our year together in person, and that I have to talk to you through a computer screen and try to deliver the rest of the content online. I'm trying my best. But I miss you guys. I miss going to school every day, and just having that class dynamic of teaching like human beings. Where I can like pick on Tucker or Joe, or tell Callie to stop talking, Aiden Taylor to stop playing Tetris. You know, yeah. So I miss that part, but we're going to hang in there. We're going to get through this. And hopefully maybe in the summer, like the end of June or July, the social distancing will be a little bit more relaxed and we can get together and have some closure for this year and say goodbye. So I just wanted to say that because I don't think we've talked since the governor made that decision last week. So today we are starting to solve quadratics, and you're going to be doing that through the process called factoring. So you really have to be good at your multiplication facts in order to factor. So I know that I warned you last week that the videos that are going to be coming up for solving quadratics were going to be long. I wasn't lying. I just finished. I did 2. Let me hold on before you freak out. The first video is 40 minutes. Oops. And that's because I went through one problem and listed out all the steps that you need. And then I did 4 more examples. So you know that I always say, if you understand or you want to try it, like you can work at your own pace, okay? If you need more examples and more time, then they're there for you. The only thing I want to draw your attention to is that examples 4 and 5 go through a little bit of a different like twist on it. So example 4 in the first video goes through what if you can't factor, because not every quadratic is factorable. So we'll talk about how you can recognize that, and then you have to use a different method. But I didn't get into that, obviously, because we're only focusing on factoring today. And then example 5, it shows you a way to get quadratics that deal with bigger coefficients and bigger numbers, how you might be able to simplify them before factoring. So if you're not going to watch the whole thing because you understand, just make sure you check in example 4 and the first part of example 5. So that's the first video. The second video is for those of you that like to see more examples done out and me talking through it. So I know that there are some of you out there that like to see that, or that need that to fully understand the content and the concept. So I made a second video, which is like 20 something minutes, and it goes through problems 9, 10, 11, and 12 from the practice problems. So even if you do 9 through 12, or you try number 9 or whatever you do, and you check the answer key, there's a detailed answer key, and you're still like, what? How did she get that? Check the second video because I walk through 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so I don't want to say like what's mandatory and what's not, because as I always say, your education is on you. And so you can work at your pace. If you need to stop and rewind the video, if you need to fast forward it, you need to do what you need to do so that you understand it. I like to take my time with quadratics because this is one of the most important units to get you set up for geometry, a unit in geometry, and algebra 2. So I like to take my time. I try to be thorough. I try to say it different ways. So other students can maybe grasp it the second time or the third time. So it's really up to you. So this might take longer than the hour today. But there's that block between 1 and 2 that's open if you need it. And as always, if you need extra time because you have stuff going on, just shoot me an email and let me know. So I am available through chat today, through email, and if you need to set up a video conference with me. I'm just not available at 11 because I have a meeting with guidance. And there was one more thing I was going to say and I forgot. So that's it pretty much. What you're going to be graded on today is another flip grid. And I know it might not be your favorite, but it's really the only way that I can truly see if you understand. I think I said edge elastic in the first video, but there is no edge elastic today. It's just the flip grid assignment. And it's one problem, and you're going to talk me through how you solved it by factoring. So you're being graded on participation only, not if you get the right answer. So please don't Google it, because if everyone gets it right, I'm moving on. Okay? If the majority of the class doesn't understand and we need to review factoring, then I will figure something out for Wednesday where maybe we can set up more of a live class stream. Okay, so I'm going to use what you did on your flip grid to help me make my lesson for Wednesday. All right, guys? So reach out if you have questions. I love you. I miss you. And I wish I could see you soon, but I can't wait to see you on Wednesday for our family check-in time. All right, guys. Good luck. Have fun. And I'll be around if you need help.